Hey, well done for completing yet another module. Man, you're really getting these modules out of the way. Now, I want to share with you another tip of mine that has really helped me to be able to concentrate better. And the trick is to basically study, or when I'm work on something that's hard that I've put off, when I'm in a fasted state. So that means the first thing when I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth and I sit down and I just do this difficult thing. And I find that, when you have lunch, and especially if you have something quite heavy, like in carbs, like a pizza or something, you feel your brain going to sleep, right? It's really, really hard to concentrate, and everything just feels so, I can't wait to just go home. I can't think. And I find that if you try to work when you're in the opposite of that, when you've just woken up, you haven't eaten anything yet, maybe you've had a black coffee, but nothing that has any sort of calorific value, right? In that moment, I am the sharpest as can be. And I found that, through tweaking with my diet sometimes, especially not having such a heavy lunch or not having so much carbs for lunch, I find that I can think more clearly, but nothing beats that early morning fasted state, and I'm just able to think more clearly. Now, make sure, be safe. If you have diabetes or if you have some other condition that doesn't allow you to do this, then don't do it. It's just a suggestion. It's just something that works for me. So have a go at that and keep going. You're getting really, really far in the course now.